Everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Of course, this is your girl Tia McPherson. I just came on here to show you guys the end results of my faux locks. This was not a tutorial or anything. I just wanted to show you guys the method that I use, which is the glue method. I just wrap the hair around all the way down to the end, and when I get to the end, I just put the glue, put some spritz on the glue, and then just wrap that last end piece around it until it stays. So my hair, I like literally just finished my hair, and this is the results. Like, I really like it because I wasn't going for anything more smaller or bigger or whatever. This is just the way I wanted it to be. So if you notice, my parts are big because I like when I'm ready to take my hair down or take them out, I can just take them out. No hours of trying to take it out. No, I can't. I really cannot do that stuff. So I just put the glue at the end because, you know, if you glue as you go along, that's going to be difficult, and I did not want to glue my own hair. Anyways, I'm not going to make this video really long. So the hair that I used is this. Okay. So it's the Yaman Afro Kinky Braid Harlem 125 Afro braid series. So I've used this here before. No, not this here. I've done this look before. I've done it. This is the third time I think I'm doing this look. The first two times I used the Rasta Marley here. I'm gonna insert a picture somewhere here to show you guys. I did a video while I had in this look, I think when I was talking about the water fast, but I'm just gonna insert a picture right there. So I mean, it's very nice. It's a quick and easy way to do your hair, and you don't have to spend a lot of money. Like I said, I like the look. This is just what I wanted. I didn't want anything more or anything less. This is just what I wanted. Let me take the camera up a little bit so you guys can see that. Yeah, so this is just what I wanted. I didn't want anything more or anything less. This is just exactly what I wanted, right? So this hair costs like I think it was about $7 US. One person attacked me on here before about a product when I used the US dollars instead of Jamaican dollars, because they're saying that I'm lying because I use US dollars, you know. But hello, I have subscribers all over. I have subscribers in Italy, Germany, England, US, Canada, and Africa, and also here in Jamaica. So when I use US dollars, most people can relate, right? So when I say Jamaican dollars, it's like I'm just, you know, referring to my Jamaican subscribers. So I use US dollars because it's used almost all over the world, everywhere, right? So this is how the hair looks. It's 24 inches. It's 24 inches, right? And it comes with 24 individual braids, if that makes sense. 24 individual pieces, okay? And I use a less than a pack, so there's maybe like 22 or 21 pieces in my hair because I didn't want it to be too heavy, too much, too bulky. I didn't want that, right? So let me just say, using the glue method is one of the easiest and best ways to do your faux locks. When the other time that I did this faux locks, the last time that I did it, I used the burn method. And with the burn method, you get a lot of shedding, and your hair is kind of crispy and whatever, but it gives you a natural Rasta look if that's what you're going for. Okay, so yeah. So I have like this amount left. See? I just put it in this bag because my son disposed of the others. Maybe he thought it was rubbish. Well, it is rubbish, you know. But I wasn't ready to throw it out, but he did. My handsome little boy. But anyways, so yeah, you guys, that's all I have to say. It took me, like, to be honest, an hour 30 minutes to achieve this look. I could have finished it yesterday, but I started really late and I had stuff to do. So, you know, I just did what I had to do and just left my hair until this morning. So you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like these, or you want a more detailed video, you can leave your comments in the comment section down below. All right, I will go ahead to leave the name of the products that I use. Right, so I use a nappy Annie to braid my hair, and then I use the Yaman here to wrap around, right? And then I use the hair glue, and then I use a spritz, da 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 da. All right, so I wanted to make this video really short. So thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl Tia McPherson. See you guys in my next video. Bye.